First, import the image to be retouched into Photoshop. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. Zoom in for a closer view. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Remove any seam or blemishes on the subject's face. Open the Liquify filter. Tidy up the clothing slightly. Make subtle facial tweaks as well. The overall exposure looks fine. To make the image appear more transparent, select curves in RGB mode. Lift the global brightness slightly. Create a new transparent layer. Select the brush tool. Set the color to white. Opacity and flow at 6%. On layer 2, gently paint over facial shadows to brighten them. There is specular highlight on the subject is right, it's blown out. Select layer 1 and layer 2, then merge them. Go to the Channels panel. Choose the channel with the greatest contrast. Duplicate that channel. Press Ctrl plus L to open levels. Increase the contrast between highlights and shadows. Ctrl plus click the duplicated channel to load the highlights as a selection. Turn on the RGB channel eye icon. Turn off the eye of the copied channel. Return to the Layers panel. Deselect any unwanted areas if necessary. Open the color picker. Pick a skin tone color. Press Alt plus Delete to fill the selection with that color. Background color grading. Create a new curves adjustment layer. Make subtle tonal adjustments. Select a black brush. Set opacity and flow no more than 50%. Paint on the curves one mask to reveal the subject. Add a touch of red to the subject to make skin look more natural. Select the mask on Curves tool. Press Ctrl plus I to invert it to black. Switch to a white brush. Opacity and flow no more than 50%. Paint the subject back in. Smooth the background. Duplicate layer 2 and name it layer to copy. Filter noise dust scratches. Radius 52, threshold 0. Select the new layer to copy. Add a black layer mask. Grab a white brush. Opacity and flow at 100%. Paint over the background to apply the smoothing effect only there. Now for frequency separation skin retouching. Stamp visible to layer 3, Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C. Duplicate layer 3 copy. Right click convert to smart object. Filter other high pass. Set radius just enough to reveal skin texture. Stamp visible again to layer 4. Press Ctrl plus I to invert layer 4. Set blend mode to overlay, then add a black mask to layer 4. Turn off visibility of layer 3 copy. Activate layer 4's black mask. Brush tool, opacity flow 30%. Gently paint over the face to soften skin while retaining texture. Finally, use curves again for any global brightness tweaks. Summary. 1. Study the image carefully and plan the retouch. 2. Perform overall cleanup first. 3. Adjust global exposure. 4. Lift shadows selectively. Balance tones for subject and background separately. 5. Fix any blown highlights. 6. Smooth the background. 7. Apply skin retouching.